Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this session we are going to see deep learning and reinforcement learning lab experiment number 4. The statement is build and demonstrate an autoencoder network using neural layers for data comparison on image data sets. Let's open VTU circle. In VTU circle fourth program, you can see here the required modules are torch vision, matplotlib. Just copy this, open command prompt, just paste the command, enter. If the files are present in it, it will show requirement already satisfied. So just close this and open IDLE. Click on file, new file. Let me split the screen. Okay, just copy the code and paste it and just save it by pressing Ctrl+S. Under this folder I am going to save as named as DL4. .py extension will be added automatically. So just save, click on run module, and let's wait for the execution to run. Here epoch count is 10, so the epoch count must be satisfied by 10. The loss value will be shown as well as epoch. See, this for loop is executing. Epoch 1, epoch 2, epoch 3 will be showing, and loss counts as per this statement. Print f string epoch +1, and then epoches, and then loss, running loss divided by length of train loader dot 4f. Here dot 4f represents 4 decimal values after the decimal point, 4 values after decimal point. So you can see the loss count as well as epoch, and here dataset used is MIST, MNIST, means dataset is used. See here the given solution of VTU circle and ours, the loss count might be different because the training of the model depends on your system processor as well as your data. And you can see our resulted figure. See here 6. You can see the coordinates here at the right corner below. 61640145884. These are the values, and this all images are being generated. So here you can see our loss and as well as epoch. This ends our fourth program. Stay tuned with me for the further executions. Thank you for watching.